guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Alicia. Today is going to be a super quick video. It is actually June 30th whenever I'm filming this, and I realized I haven't done my June Ipsy unboxing yet, or unbagging, however you want to say it. But this is actually the bag that I got. So I have the Glam Bag Plus, which is the step up from just like the base glam bag. So this one you actually get full-size products in. This one's like $30 a month and you get 5 full-size products in here. So this is the bag this month. I think it is super freaking cute. And then there is always a card in here with a theme, and of course June is Pride Month, so most boxes are kind of revolving around that. This one, the theme is just show your colors. So anyway, super cute. I love this bag, the whole little theming and everything. Let's go ahead and get into the products. Now, I have tried everything with the exception of one product in here, and that's because I knew that I wasn't keeping this. So what I am talking about is actually from HipDot, and it is these 5 little mini sponges. This retails for $18. HipDot is a brand that I like. I've tested out several eyeshadow palettes from HipDot on my channel. These little sponges like this, I just typically don't use. So I'm going to give this to my daughter because I think she'll get a lot of use out of this. This alone retails for $18 normally. So already more than half the value of the box. And that is, like I said, a good product. I just won't use it. I think I'm getting sick or something. It's like allergies maybe. I'm hoping that it's allergies. All right, something else that I got in here. I actually really like this. This is from Kitsich. I don't know how you pronounce this brand. But it is just, it was actually a pack of 2. I've already opened this and used this one. But it was a pack of 2 towel scrunchies. It says for your sweaty, salty, wet hair. So it's just a gigantic scrunchie that's made out of like that terry towel type of material. And so it will absorb some of the water. And it really does. This one is actually still wet that I used. I used this not today, I used this yesterday, and it is still like wet. So I do need to hang that up to dry, but I think this is super cute and just practical. It's a practical item to have. I did have my hair up in this whenever I was like doing my skincare and things like that. Put on self-tanner, and whenever I took my hair down to blow dry it, it did take a lot less time having used this little scrunchie. So really like this. And the pack of 2 of these retails for $18. All right, next up is something that I was actually really excited to get in the bag. This is from Sutra, and this is a rejuvenating hair serum. This is 2.03 ounces. And I wasn't familiar, like I had heard of Sutra, but I wasn't that familiar with the brand. Apparently it is a brand that was created by hairstylist, and basically what this serum is supposed to do is prevent frizz. It protects from heat styling tools, and then it also helps to mend split ends over time. So this is what the actual bottle looks like here. This is a frosted glass. It has a pump on there. Super nice looks packaging. This retails for $45, and this is like a really nice serum. So the way that I use this is I put it in my damp hair from roots to tips, and then I blow dried my hair, and then I straightened my hair. I think it really has helped with the frizz. I live in South Carolina, so the humidity is insane. And then it's also been rainy here a lot. But yeah, I thought this was really nice. And another way that you can use this is on dry hair. So if you have dry hair, if you go ahead and style your hair, you can apply this just to the ends of your hair, and it will help smooth and like kind of like mend any split ends that you have, or make it appear smoothed. So I do really like this, and I think that's a unique item to get in the bag. All right, something I thought that I was not going to like Like when I saw this wasn't even an item that I could choose. This is one that they chose for me. And I was like, ah, that sucks. It's from Ciate London. It's a little eyeshadow palette. And this is the Cranberry 9-piece eyeshadow palette. This is actually pretty affordable. It retails for $24. Ciate is vegan and cruelty free. This is what the actual packaging looks like here. So nothing, you know, crazy. You've got a little mirror in there, and then here are your colors. So I'm actually wearing this today. I just did something super simple. So I put this all throughout the crease. I put this on the outer edges and then a little bit into the crease as well. And then I used my finger and I applied this shade here on the lid. So as you can tell, it does have one of those marbled shades that's kind of like in those Huda palettes. I thought this performed really good. I did another look with this as well. I'm going to go ahead and insert that video now. Alright guys, so I am just taking that brown shade right in the center and I'm going to put that all throughout the crease. Just making sure to build that up and blend it out where it's very nice and smooth and blended. Then I'm going to take that darker brown shade and I'm going to put that all on the outer corner of my lid and into the crease a bit as well. Just using a bigger, fluffier brush. I'm also going to put that on the inner corner of the eyelid just to make a smoky kind of halo type of eye. Again, just darkening up that outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with that nice gold shade. I am spraying my brush with some Urban Decay setting spray. You can use water or any other setting spray that you have. And I'm just going in with that gold shade and tapping that all over the center of the lid. This eyeshadow palette is so easy to use. I've used this for 2 looks now. Both were super simple. Now I'm moving down to the lower lashes. And again, I'm taking that brown shade, just smoking that out all on the lower lash line. And then last off, I'm going to take a tiny little pencil brush, go back into that gold shade and put that right on the inner corner. It's going to tie the look together nicely. And that's it. All right, so you saw how easy that look was to create. Basically with this eyeshadow palette, I think you're not going to get anything that's like too crazy. Everything is just going to look kind of nice and like sultry put together. But what I really love about this eyeshadow palette is how easy it is to use. So I think this is a very beginner friendly eyeshadow palette, and no matter what you do with it, I think the look's going to come out really pretty. So yeah, this one actually surprised me. Like I said, I was not excited about this, but now, like, I've used this 2 days in a row now. So yeah, I really do like this. Then the final item in the bag was from Dr. Zenobia, which I had never heard of before. Apparently, this is a dermatologist, but she specializes in like hormonal skin effects. So she's a specialist in that area, and I love this serum. So it is a clinical plumping hydrating serum is what it says. It has got hyaluronic acid and peptides, but it also has some type of plant that is an alternative for retinol. So it also has those line smoothing properties to it. So it's like the best of all worlds. Basically with this serum, the hyaluronic acid is going to draw moisture to your skin. The peptides in here are going to help stimulate collagen production. And then, like I said, that plant alternative to retinol, of course, is going to help with your fine lines and wrinkles. This is a super nice bottle. Again, glass packaging. You have a pump on here as well. This is 1 fluid ounce. This thing retails for $72. Now, I've only used this, I think, 3 times now, but it feels amazing. Amazing. and I cannot wait to continue using this. This was another thing that, again, I wasn't excited about getting. This is an item that I couldn't choose, but I was really, really blown away with this after I used it. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got in my bag this month. I love the bag in general. Everything that I got in this bag was good. I like that there were like some more unique type of items in here. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with these sponges. I just typically don't use like the smaller sponges. So not a bad product, just not for me, if that makes sense. So the whole value of this bag was $177. I paid $30 for it. I would do it again and again and again. I love this eyeshadow palette. So easy to use, and these two serums are like top notch. They're really, really good just from first impression. And yeah, I cannot wait to continue using this stuff. Ipsy has knocked it out of the park again. I think out of all the boxes that I got, I get BoxyCharm Premium, BoxyCharm Base Box, and the Ipsy bag. Ipsy killed it again. Favorite box that I got this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.